In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites in Outlook. If you work with a lot of folders, favorites is a simple way to keep the ones you use most right at the top of your Outlook folder list. Adding a folder to favorites doesn't move or copy anything, it just creates a quick shortcut so you can get to it faster. Start by opening Outlook. Once it's up, look to the left side of the window where your folders are listed. This is your folder pane. You'll see the usual suspects like inbox, sent items, drafts, and any custom folders you've created or that you have access to. Take a moment to find the specific folder you want to add. It could be a project folder, a team folder, or any place you check often. Next, hover over that folder to make sure you're on the right one. To add it to favorites, you have two ways to bring up the menu. You can right-click the folder name, or click the three dots that appear next to it. Those three dots show more options for that folder, and they're especially handy if you're using a trackpad or prefer not to right-click. From the menu that appears, select Add to Favorites. That's the command Outlook uses to place the folder in your Favorites section. This action is immediate and reversible, and it doesn't affect your messages or folder structure. It simply pins a shortcut for quicker access. Now confirm that it worked. Look toward the top of your folder list for the Favorites area. The folder you just added should appear there right away. Outlook also marks it with a filled star to indicate it has been favorited. You can click it to open the same contents you'd see if you navigated to the folder lower in the list. If you rely on several folders, repeating this process for your most important ones can make your day-to-day navigation much smoother. A few quick tips as you use favorites. Favorites are personal to you, so adding a folder here won't change how other people see their Outlook. This makes it perfect for highlighting folders in shared mailboxes or group folders you visit frequently. Also, because favorites is just a set of shortcuts, nothing is duplicated, your emails remain in their original folders, keeping your mailbox organized. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.